Is your Windows operating system reporting the Icon System 32 Shell32 DLL failure? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows system specialist. Let's resync your file architecture and restore your system integrity now. As we prepare to resolve Icon System 32 Shell32, consider using the diagnostic path below to ensure a stable environment for your libraries. This is the Icon System 32 Shell32, frequently associated with localized skinning or icon changer utilities. It manages the UI hooks for system-level controls. Because it modifies the Windows shell, it is a high-risk file for malware infection. If missing, third-party desktop modifications will fail to apply or will crash. Now let's apply the fix by reinstalling the shared system library. If you see a Icon System 32 Shell32 DLL alert, it usually indicates a corruption within the Localized Shell32 Icon redirector subfolder of your program, so you should reinstall the affected software to clear the conflict and restore the file. If that initial setup didn't clear the pop-up, let's examine the specific initialization sequence assigned to your application's directory. A simple restart can resolve file-in-use errors that mimic a missing Icon System 32 Shell32 message. It's a low-effort step that ensures your operating system starts with a clean execution stack. Don't forget to bookmark the video or give it a like before you restart. It's the fastest way to jump right back into this tutorial after the reboot. With the restart confirmed as ineffective for this instance, let's analyze the registry settings next. If you need to pause the video while navigating the registry editor, feel free. If you're still seeing performance alerts post-reboot, it's time to rebuild the diagnostic registration entries. First, open Command Prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type loctr/r, then hit Enter. Why are we doing this? Well, the issue is typically found in the registry registration rather than the file itself. This rebuild command clears out legacy performance data and reestablishes a clean connection to the OS monitoring tools. I'd like to provide a brief technical warning about the risks of using unofficial file repositories. Ensure your hardware remains stable and your software stays under warranty by avoiding the manual manipulation of high-level library files like Icon System 32 Shell32 DLL. For a comprehensive approach to system health, I recommend incorporating a verified maintenance protocol into your routine. If background initialization issues occur, the link in the description provides maintenance information related to Icon System 32 Shell32. If Icon System 32 Shell32 is back online, please consider subscribing. It's the best way to support our mission of providing safe, verified technical solutions.